As a Fieldwork 1 student, there have been countless learning moments that I've had over the course of my placement. Learning from the patients has been incredible, and being able to see their motivation and how hard they work to achieve their goals. Seeing some patients go from being in a wheelchair, dependent on someone for all of their daily activities, to being more independent and being able to do things like prepare themselves a light meal while standing has been really incredible to see.